Friends, in last lecture, we have complete the example in chapter 1 set. Now we start exercise 1.1, question number 1. Now open your textbook and look your question number 1. First question, heading, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Here we write answer only yes or no. Set is possible or not. We write your answer. Read your first question. The collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. We have total 12 months in whole year. Now, which month start the first letter J? First January, then February, March, April, May, not possible because first letter is not J. Then June, and third one July, right? Only 3 months is possible. That means our question heading, which of the following are set? That means first one is a set. First one is a set. Yeah, possible. Now second question. Question number 1, second. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Again repeat the question. The collection of 10 most talented writer. But here the question is not clarified. Why? Because which of the field talented writer, sports, other writers, film magazine writers, right? So here not a clarify. So here not possible the set. So our answer is no. Here set is not possible. Is that clear? Okay. Now third question. A team of 11 best cricketer batsmen. Again repeat. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Now, which of the cricket best batsmen? I also best batsman. You also best batsman, right? So all the people says I am the best in the batsman in a cricket team, right? So which criteria here not clear, because our question is team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world, right? So here not clarify here the question. So here not possible the set. So we write answer no, right? In examination, if asked this type of question, you write yes or no only. This is justify your answer, yes or no. Okay. Now fourth question. The collection of all boys in your class. You have studied in 11 science. In your classroom, suppose total 40 boys are present in your class. Write all 40 boys' name. Write all the boys' name. Okay. So here we write suppose set A and write all the 40 boys. Amit, Anil, dash, 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 all the 40 students' name. Clear? So here the set is possible. So set yes. Again repeat the question. The collection of all boys in your class. Okay, in your school, You studied in 11 science in your class, total, suppose 40 student, you write here 40 names. Okay, so SAT is possible, right? However, SAT is possible or not possible when you ask the question anyone, but answer is fixed. Answer is fixed, you can say SAT is possible. But student to student answer are different, so SAT is not possible, right? Okay, repeat. Now fifth question. The collection of all natural number less than 100. You ask the question anyone, but answer is same, right? So natural number, we write the SAT B smaller than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash. Last digit 99. Repeat the question. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So our answer is 1 to 99. Okay. So fifth question. Now we discuss the sixth question. Sixth one, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. You know about the Munshi Premchand? Munshi Premchand is well known our Gujarati writer. You have studied in Gujarati subject Munshi Premchand's novel also. Studied in lower standard. In higher standard commerce and arts in subject Gujarati, also Munshi Premchand's novel students studied. Okay. Now right here, suppose see. Suppose Munshi Premchand write a novel, suppose 5 novels, 15 novels, 20 novels. You can count it, right? And fix number. Okay, so Munshi Premchand's writers write the novels are fixed. So here this one is called set. Okay, is possible. Set Y. That means yes. Okay, now seventh question. Question number 7. The collection of all even integer. The collection of all even integer 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, dash, dash. It is called even integer. So fix answer. You can ask the question in any one student, but answer is fixed. So it is called set. Okay? Yes. So 7th question. Now 8th number. The collection of question in this chapter. In this chapter, that's mean first chapter, write all the question, example and exercise, write all the question, place in a set. It is possible, that means set. Suppose you can write all the 50 question, count here, and suppose 60 question, but fixed number, right? So set yes. Okay. Now, ninth question. A collection of most dangerous animal of the world. Dangerous animal of the world. But which animal? My opinion, my neighbor. For my neighbor is a most dangerous for me. Because all the men are social animals. Right? Or your opinion, your friend are also dangerous. That means student to student answer are different. Okay, so SAT is not possible. So we write here answer no. Because here not clear which field dangerous animal. Okay, so question number 1, exercise 1.1 completed. Now question number 2. Look the question. Question number 2. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fill in the blanks. First one, 5 and A. Here 5 is the elements of set A. So 5 belongs to. Clear? This is your blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, second number 8 and A. Here 8 present here. No. So 8 not belongs to A. Okay. Third question 0 and A. So 0 is not here inside A. So 0 does not belongs to A. Fourth question 4 and A. 4 and A. So 4 is elements of the set A. So 4 belongs to set A. Now fifth 2 and A. 2 and A. Set A. Here also 2 belongs to A. Okay. So here the belongs to sign. Sixth number question 10 and A. Here 10 is not in set A. Okay, so 10 does not belongs to set A. Easy? Do you understood? Very easy question. Now discuss question number 3. Write the following set in a roster form. Roster or tabular form. Second method, set builder or property method. Okay. First we write here. First question. The question is given in A equal to. First we read the question. X such that X is an integer minus 3 less than X minus 3 less than X less than 7. Here condition is given X belongs to Z integer. Okay. So we write here, start the number minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, dash, dash, dash. The last number is 6. This is the roster method or tabular method. Okay. Our question in property method and set builder method, we write the answer roster method. Now second, b equal to x. X is a natural number less than 6. Now natural number less than 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. No, less than 6. So 6 is not possible here. Okay. 6 is not present here. We write only the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because less than 6. Not less than or equal to 6. Okay. Now third. C equal to X. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Now start the 2-digit number 10 and last 2-digit number is 99. But our question is sum of the 2-digit is 8. Here 1 plus 0, 1. Here 9 plus 9, 18. Not possible. Now 10, 11, 12, 13. First line 17. So right here 70. Now apply the idea. Here first digit one number increase and second digit one number decrease. Second line 26, right? 2 plus 6, 8, 1 plus 7, 8. Okay, now 35. Then 44. Next 53. Continue 62. Then another number 71 and here 80. 8 plus 0. Okay. Here the student asked me the question, sir, why is not possible 08? Because 08 is only one digit number, because here 0 is not possible, right? You can write also 8 and 80 is two-digit number. You have not cancelled 0. If you cancel here 0, so number is 8. Okay, so 80 is possible, but 08 is not possible. So 17, 26, 35, You can check all the two-digit numbers. Some of these two-digit are 8. Clear? Now fourth question. D equal to x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Now first we write the factorization of 60. Which number are factors of 60? 1, 2, 60 divisible by 2. Yeah. 3 also factor. 4 also possible. 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and last 60 itself. Right? These are all the factors are 60. Okay. Now, but our condition is prime number. Now, which are the prime number? 2, 3, and 5. Only 3 numbers. Only 2, 3, 5 and our prime numbers. So we write here answer 2, 3, and 5. Okay. Now fifth question. Equal to the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. Equal to, write the letter, all the letters of word trigonometry. T-R-I-O, trigonometry. Just told it. Order is not important, but we write the word. T-R-I, trigo. No, O repeat, not possible. M, E, T again not repeat. R and Y. Right? Check the answer here. Word Trigon. O is not possible here. M, right. E again. Yeah, right. Okay. T is not repeat here. R is not repeat. Okay, Y. So Trigonmey. Okay. Now sixth question. Question number 6. F equal to set of all letter in the word batter. F equal to better. B-E-T. Again not repeat T and E and last letter R. Okay, only 4 letters B-E-T-R. So question number 3 completed. Now continue question number 4. Question number 4. Read your question. Write the following set in the set builder form. Here the which method is given? First one, repeat the roster form is given. Yeah, roster form is given. We write the property method or set builder method. First one, A equal to. Our question is 3, 6, 9, 12. Now here write the answer by use the property. We have already explained in example. All the elements say X. Such that, look here, speak your table of 3. Speak your table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So X is a multiple of 3 smaller than 13. X is a multiple of 3 but smaller than 13. So multiple of 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, smaller than 13. First answer. Otherwise you can write also second possibility also possible. Which one second? X, where X equal to 3n. X equal to 3n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This answer is also possible. Both answer is right. You can any one answer write during the examination. Okay. Now second question. Second. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. We write B equal to 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay. We rearrange the question here. Rearrange the question. In place of 2, we write here 2 raised to 1. In place of 4, 2 raised to 2. In place of 8, 2 raised to 3. In place of 16, 2 raised to 4. In place of 32, 2 raised to 5. Right? 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. Now write your answer. Here all the elements are say x, where x equal to 2 raised to n. Okay, x equal to 2 raised to n, where x equal to, sorry, n equal to. Here we write n equal to, okay, n equal to 1, 2, up to 5. Okay, put here n equal to 1, 2 raised to 1. Put here n equal to 2, 2 raised to 2. So x equal to 2 raised to 2, that means 4. 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. Okay, done it. Now third question. Very easy chapter and important. Okay, third question. Exactly same to same question. 5, 25, 125 and 625. Okay, again rearrange the question. 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to 1, 5, 5 square 25, 5 cube is 125, 5 raised to 4 is 625. Okay, so here write the answer. All the elements say x such that x equal to 5 raised to n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write also here, same method. Write directly 5 raised to n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Both answer are right answer, 110% right answer. We can write this method also, 5 raised to n direct. Here also, in this question also. You can write here 2 raised to n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the methods are right method, 100% right method. Okay, clear? Now fourth question. Question 4. 2, 4, 6. D equal to 2, 4, 6, dash, dash, dash. 2, 4, 6, dash, dash, dash. Here this one is even natural number. Okay. So right here x, where x is an even natural numbers. Okay, where x is an even natural number. Otherwise, second method here 2n, where n belongs to n. Very easy method. 2n, where n belongs to n. Put here n equal to 1, 2 1s are 2. Put here n equal to 2, 2 2s are 4. Put n equal to 3, 2 3s are 6. Put n equal to 4, 2 4s are 8, dash, dash, dash. Okay, now fifth question. E equal to 1, 4, 9, dash, 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 100. Now think about this question. Think about this question. Here all the numbers are called perfect square number. Perfect square. Here 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3. up to 100. So you write here n square. Write here n square, where n belongs to n, 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. You can put here n equal to different value up to 1 to 10. Put here 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Right? Otherwise, you can write here x, all the elements say x, where such that x equal to n square. Then you can write here n equal to 1, 2, up to 10. Okay, this answer is also right. Both are right answer, no problem. Okay, so question number 4 completed. Now question number 6. Also easy. Question number 6. List all the elements of the following set. We write only the set. First question. A equal to x. X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Write 1, 2. Right? No. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Dash, dash, dash. Not necessary here, comma. Okay. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dash, 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 odd natural number. Now second, b equal to x. X is an integer, but condition, here we draw the number line. Look your question here, minus 1.2 and last number is 9 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, that means minus 0.5. 9 divided by 2, 4.5. Okay. Our question is x is an integer. Integer, that means greater than minus 0.5 and smaller than 4.5. Here, right side, we goes to the right side. 0, minus 1. Minus 1 or plus 1? Yeah, plus 1. Right answer. Okay. 1, then 2, 3, and 4. So your answer B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Third question. C equal to x. X is an integer. We write here integer, but condition is given. The square of the integer is smaller than or equal to 4. Here the given condition. X square is smaller than 4. You can choose any number belongs to Z. But condition is this satisfied. X square is smaller than 4. Suppose we draw a number line here. Suppose 0. 0 square is smaller than 4. Yeah. 1 square is 1 smaller than 4. 2 square is equal to 4. Yeah. Possible. But 3 square is 9, not possible. Now take left side because we take the integer. Minus 1 square is 1. Square always positive. Minus 2 square is 4. Yeah, possible. Then minus 3 square is not possible. Okay. So our answer is 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Okay. This is our answer. All the numbers are smaller than equal to 4. This is our condition. Right? Now, fourth question. D equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. D equal to word loyal. L-O-Y-A-L. Again, L we not write here. Okay. So D equal to L-O-Y-A. Now, fifth question. Fifth one. Equal to x. X is a month of a year not having 31 days. Right? We have total 12 months. Subtract all the month having 31 days. Easy. January is possible? No. February is possible. March is possible? No. April is possible. Right? Very easy. Complete your question. complete your this question. Very easy question. Okay. We can't take here 31 days or in the month. We take only the 30 days or 29 days or 28 days in a month. Okay. Very easy question. Complete. Now sixth question. F equal to X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Now here the important question, because AB's alphabet is important, right? We take A, not possible. Vowels are not, we not take, only consonant. A, then here write direct answer. Okay. F equal to B, C, D is not right here. F, G, H, I is not right here. H, I, J and K is not possible because precedes K. Precedes K. Only B, C, D, F, E, F, G, H, I not possible. J up to J. Okay. So question number 6 completed. Now question number 5 total complete. Now question number 6. Okay. Match the following. Match the following. First one. Match each of the set in the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. Okay. Right here. First one. 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Now check right side. Check the right side. Yeah, C option. Look your C option. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. These all the numbers are divisor of 6. Look, right? 6 divisible by 1 possible. 6 divided by 2 possible. 6 divided by 3 possible. 6 divided by 6 possible. That means 1C. Then second, 2, 3, only 2, 3. That means check your option. First, right, x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Yeah, these both are prime number and divisor of 6. Yeah, okay. So first one, A. Then third word, M A T H E. M A T H E I C and S. Now right side, naturally D option. Very easy because D option is a letter of the word mathematics. Right? So answer is D. Now fourth one. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now remaining option is B. Okay. B option. Check your X is an odd natural number less than 10. Right. This is your odd natural number. All are the odd natural number less than 10. Okay. So exercise 1.1 completed. And here complete the lecture. Now next lecture we continue the next topic. Okay. Thank you very much.